Look at this. This mirror never ends. And this is not editing. I made this using scrap wood, and it turned out insane. Let me show you how I made this awesome infinity flower mirror frame. I made it exactly how I imagined, but it didn't go as planned. Let me show you. First, I'll cut all the wood pieces to the size needed for the frame. At this point, I made a mistake that almost ruined the whole frame. I've made this section for the mirror, and later I'll shape it into a square using a chisel. Relax, these holes will help hide the wire and its joints. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It truly supports me and keeps me going. This hole is for the flower. Now I'll use a 3mm mirror and fix it in place with silicone. Then I'll cover the side areas with mirror as well to create a perfect illusion. Now, I'll skillfully cut the profile light and attach it here, and I'll add a strip light along with it. Now I'll use a gray one-sided mirror. Now I'll use a hanging clip on it to hang the frame. And I'll cover the screw holes using the same wood. Perfect. Now I'll apply a natural gold polish on it so the wood grains stay visible and it keeps a natural feel. All done. Here we go. So, what do you all think of this masterpiece? Would you like to try making it? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.